In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Wix site using a full troubleshooting checklist. Whether you're experiencing trouble loading your site or things just aren't displaying as they should, these steps should help you get back on track. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to head over to your browser settings. This is an essential step because your browser can sometimes be the culprit when it comes to display issues or general browsing problems. When you're in the settings menu, take a moment to thoroughly explore your options. You're going to be looking for the section that lets you clear your browsing data. This includes cache and cookies. Now, you might be wondering, why do I need to do this? Well, over time, your browser accumulates cache and cookies, which can sometimes interfere with how web pages load and function. Clearing them out can resolve a range of issues, from speed to rendering, giving your browser a fresh start. Once you've located the right section in your settings, go ahead and clear the browsing data. Make sure you select all the types of data you want to remove. This usually includes cached images and files, and cookies and other site data. It might take a moment for this process to complete, depending on how much data needs clearing, but it's an important step to ensure any outdated or corrupt files aren't affecting your browsing experience. After that's done, try accessing your Wix site again. With any luck, this will have resolved the issue. If your site comes up as it should, fantastic. You've just solved a common problem with a simple step. But remember, technology can sometimes be unpredictable, so don't be discouraged if things don't go back to normal right away. It's all part of the process. If you're still experiencing issues, it could be worth checking if your browser is up to date and that there aren't any additional extensions or plugins that might be affecting site performance. Always ensure your tools are updated to the latest version for optimal performance. And while it can be slightly tedious, regular maintenance of your browsing data can preemptively sidestep many of these problems from reoccurring. In summary, keeping your browser settings clean and up to date is crucial to ensuring your Wix site and any other sites you visit run smoothly. I hope these steps have been helpful and have brought your site back to life. Remember, addressing these small technical details can have a big impact on your site's overall functionality. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our troubleshooting tips in future videos.